friends, Running Kimono here. So we have the best paper deals over at Walgreens, and they have delivered with some very smart deals, and I'm pretty excited by it. I know a lot of you love doing smart paper deals, and stocking up on this I think makes perfect sense, especially right now. And don't we love a good paper deal? So before we dive into the math and the best deals this week, if you guys could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful. Or if you have the hype button, consider pressing it. It really helps out the channel in the video if you want to do one or both. Thank you so much in advance, guys. In case you missed it, yesterday I made a curbside video with the best P&G deals with the spend 45 to earn back 15. I know a lot of us prefer to do that curbside, so if you want to check that out, I will link it at the end, including very cheap, always discreet and tied. Okay, let's hop into this with deal number one, and we're doing this one curbside. What does that mean? We're ordering this stuff through the app. You're going to pay for it, and you're going to opt to hit the button on the left-hand side with the green check. After you pay for it, you drive to the store and pick it up. If you're going to do one of these deals and have a lot of paper, try and get to the store within 6 hours so you're not crowding that self-checkout area. So for this deal, you're going to need this little friend loaded, which is $1.50 off of one. And it's off of a whole variety of Walgreens paper and disposable products that include plates, cups, that sort of stuff. I've never seen this coupon, just be extended for so many other products. But with the 4th just around the corner, I think they want us to buy everything Walgreens, like their dupe solo cups, that sort of stuff. You can see where they're going, and there's a whole lot more than what I'm showing. But the purposes of this video, we're going to throw in 4 of these paper towels. They're $5 each, so 4 of them is $20. And with that $1.50 coupon, $1.50 times 4 is $6. You're getting that $6 off. Now, using the code SENIOR20, an additional $2.80 is also melting off. If you can't get that one to work, you can also use WAG10. Those little coupon codes you can only use curbside. You can't use them in store when you're shopping around. So the overall total is $20. We have $8.80 melting off with the $1.50 coupon and SENIOR20, 92 cents in tax. So the total here is $12.12. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash if you might have it, and then pay $2.12 and call this a super smart deal. For a lot of you that are curious about this paper towel, it's a lot more stocky and it just has a little bit more weight than the Scott. The Scott is just very thin, and there's not a lot to it. This is very reminiscent of Sparkle, if probably not made in the same factory. It's very similar. In store, if you wanted to do this deal, with this product, it would only be $3.50 because you can't use SENIOR20 or WAG10. So doing it that way, you're saving just a smidge more money. And this is the weird thing about this $1.50 coupon. It's actually not working in concert with the toilet paper towels only, which I don't fully understand why toilet paper isn't included unless they got cleared every time that $1.50 coupon appeared, because this toilet paper is very similar to Angel Soft. In store, it's currently $5, but that $1.50 coupon is not attaching the $1.50 store coupon. So I don't know. I think just maybe it just went way too, it was just way too popular, or the stores got cleared, or maybe the warehouse doesn't have a whole lot of this left and that's why it was excluded. But it is a little bit curious. I don't know. The deals we're going to do are in store. Because they're involving register rewards, you have to be in store for these deals. The $5.49 P&G paper products, when you spend $20, you get back a $5 register reward. Remember, register rewards in store only, but you already knew that. Now, for a lot of this $5.49 paper, there is some coupons. We have the $1 for the essentials, $1 for the essential paper towels, and then there's this weird one that's $1 off of an abundancy of them. I don't know if you might have an extra $1 one for like the puffs or something, but this is what I had. $3 off. So looking at the math for this, 4 of those paper products, and yes, you're going to have to mix and match, it would be $21.96, subtracting $3 in digital coupons. Again, everybody's account is a little bit different. Maybe yours is better than mine. After that $3 coming off, you'll pay $18.96. Get back a $5 register reward. Make sure also when you are in store, ask the cashier if the machine is on that prints out those coupons. They can tell you yes or no, and it's going to save you a huge headache. It's always a good rule of thumb. Listen, are the other people's register rewards printing when they are in front of you? You know, just always pay attention, or like the little coupons or boosters or whatever. Final price point after everything said and done is $13.96 for 4 or $3.49 per. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Hey, the next deal in store that I absolutely love this week is with this Quilted Northern. Quilted Northern Brawny Angel Soft. When you buy 2, you get back a $3 register reward. Currently, Quilted has a $1.50 coupon, and then I think Angel Soft has 50 cents. So altogether, that's $2 of manufacturers. Sorry, guys, can't even show you what they look like because they are lost in my app, but they're there, I see. Grabbing 1 of each, it would be $13.98. Subtracting $2 in digitals, you're paying $11.98. Getting back a $3 register reward. It's $8.98 for the 2 or $4.49 per unit of paper. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. I'm also going to let you guys know that if you can't find your digital coupons, like I was saying, I see them in the app, but they're not there in my itemized coupons folder. Just throw 2 of them into a cart. Even though I'm not doing this as a curbside pickup, you can see the $1.50 coming off, so you'll know, oh yeah, it's working right there. Now, the Kenvue deals this week are really fantastic with the Listerine or the Neutrogena, and this will typically scan on anything in store. Now, if the cashier is going to give you a really difficult time and like read every element of this and say health and beauty is not paper products, you obviously can't use it. But if they have no problem scanning whatever, I would definitely use this. And remember, this is a store coupon, so it's like using Walgreens cash. Don't use it with a booster. So just to show you, it would scan perfectly, this 2 for $10 with the Kleenex. You would just have to pay the tax. And these are 3 larger boxes, so this is not a bad little deal. Another deal that I absolutely think is worth doing if you might have one of those Kenvue register rewards and you're like, hey, I just have no idea how to use it. And sometimes when you're given something, it's really hard to make a decision. I'm certainly that way too. The 2 equals 48 on the Cottonelle Ultra Clean. Don't see a manufacturer attaching to this, but it's $10.99. Subtracting that Kenvue coupon, it would be 99 cents for this. It's like winning the couponing Olympics, getting this little friend for 99 cents. That's it for this video. Yesterday's Curbside is linked right here. If you love curbside shopping, check it out, and we will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.